Hi guys, I hope everyone is fine. My name is Salman. I'm back with another video. Today I've got Ambrane vacuum cleaner. This is a car vacuum cleaner, or you can use it to clean anything. Uh, uh, so mostly it's used for cars, as I understand. So this is a 1200 PS suction power, and it has got 35 minutes of running time, and it's a handheld washable filter, cordless use, and built-in battery. So let me just open this. So got this for around 1700 something. So it's a 80 watt power consuming 5200 mAh battery, cleaning around the car multi-purpose attachment up to 4.15 hours. So up to 4 hours 15 minutes is the running time. So it's a pretty good. So MRP shows a different amount here. So we got it for much lesser. It's around 1.7 something, 1700 from Zepto, the quick delivery platform. So let's look inside what we have got here. We've got a warranty card. So we need to scan this and register for the warranty. Keep this aside. So this is the main unit here. This is the USB cable, charging cable, and this is the main thing. I'll just open this. Let me see what are the other contents. So we got various attachments here. This has got a small brush, and we got a couple of nozzles attachments. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the attachments we have got. Nothing much inside. Okay, so we've got the attachments here. I'll just pause the video here. Let me connect. So it looks pretty, the quality is impressive. Looks like it's not charged. Not turning on. Let me connect the charger. C-type charger. Okay. So just get the charger. Just keep the video on hold for a minute. So guys, the update is that this is not charged. So we have to wait till it gets charged, and I will continue this video in the next part too. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stand by for next update of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.